Hi, in this tutorial of Urban Informatics, we'll be looking at creating a Sunpath analysis using the tools in 3ds Max. In this case, I'll be using a pre-made model from our previous tutorial. To start off, go to Create, Lights and Daylight System, click, and then drag to create our light source. Then in Get Location, in Maps, select Australia and choose Melbourne, Australia. This will adjust accordingly. Next, in the right hand tool panel, click on the Create and Light Bulb and create an onward light. Click and drag. Align the onward light with our daylight system with the Align tool. In the Align selection, make sure our align positioning, X, Y, and Z coordinates are all ticked. Then hit Apply and OK. As you can see, our light has now adjusted to the current position. We just need to set our target source from our onward light and get it to match with our daylight system. To do that, repeat the same steps from before, the Align tool, and then make sure X, Y, and Z coordinates are ticked. Apply and OK. Now we can see that the target and the light are matching our daylight system. From here, we also need to link these two just to make it easier for us later on. So click the link button, select one of the options, and then drag it until the other is yellow. As you can see, we drag it, make sure both are yellow, and then now they are both linked together. We click, we will copy and paste this, and then now we can change our hours. Let's change this from 12, so we can get lights from different hours of the day. Then we copy and paste it again as a instance. Then we set the time for this one. We set it to 15 and so on and so forth. We do this a couple of times until we have a few of them. Now that we have a few of them, now we can set our viewport to higher quality so we can see the shadows more clearly. At the moment it's all white. Let's just change our camera to perspective. And now we can see the shadows casting onto our Greeble city. We spin around. You see the shadows at different angles. Let's just add a panel so we can better see the shadows reflect onto the ground. Selecting panel, clicking, and then dragging. Let's also go to Greeble to increase the height of our buildings to see if we can get some better shadows. So the minimum height to 5 and a maximum height to, let's say, 25. And there we go, the shadows are a lot more apparent now on our buildings. And that is the end of our quick video on how to do a Sunpath in 3ds Max. I hope you learned something and enjoyed it. Thank you.